Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study Python for beginners step by step. Start by installing Python and setting up a simple editor like VS Code. Begin with variables, control flow, functions, and lists so you have a solid foundation. Run short examples and use the interactive shell to test ideas. Keep sessions short and consistent, focusing on one concept at a time to build confidence and steady progress. Start by breaking concepts into manageable chunks and focus on one idea per session. Use short examples that demonstrate how data moves through code and what functions return. Try translating simple tasks into code, like calculating totals or filtering lists. Review mistakes and rewrite solutions to improve clarity. Pair reading with typing examples so muscle memory and understanding grow together in a friendly, low-pressure way. Practice is essential, so pick tiny projects that solve real little problems you care about. Start with a calculator, a to-do list, or a simple web scraper to apply core concepts. Break projects into steps and test often to catch errors early. Share code with friends or online to get feedback and learn faster. Keep challenges just beyond your comfort zone to grow without getting overwhelmed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.